In a significant decision that could pave the way for return of normalcy in Manipur, SoO Council agrees to open National Highway 2 in Manipur for free movement of commuters and essential goods after talks with Centre. Along with this Centre, Government of Manipur has also signed a tripartite suspension of operations SoO agreement with Kuki National Organization, KNO and United People's Front UPF on renegotiated terms and conditions or ground rules, which will be effective from the day of signing the agreement for a period of 1 year. Among the key provisions, the revised ground rules reaffirmed the territorial integrity of Manipur and emphasized the need for a negotiated solution to secure lasting peace and stability in the state. As part of their commitments, KNO and UPF have agreed to relocate 7 designated camps from conflict-prone areas, reduce the overall number of such camps, and move weapons to the nearest CRPF or BSF camps. Additionally, stringent physical verification of cadres will be undertaken to identify and delist foreign nationals, if any. Centre also assured that a joint monitoring group will closely monitor enforcement of these ground rules and violations will be dealt firmly and lead to review of SoO agreement. On the other hand, a reopening of National Highway No. 2 for Meitei commuters was agreed following series of meetings in New Delhi over the past few days between officials of the Ministry of Home Affairs (MHA) and a delegation of the SoO Council. The discussions were aimed at addressing the prolonged blockade that had disrupted the movement of individuals belonging to Meitei community along the Imphal-Dimapur National Highway No. 2. It may be mentioned that SoO agreement was on hold since February 29, 2024, when Manipur government pulled out of the agreement. The move comes ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's possible visit to Manipur on September 13.